今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Thank you, Hikari, for that great opening. Also, thanks for the introduction, Soda. And we are going to get right to it. Yes, I am excited and ready to talk to you today about social English on the Social English Podcast. I am your host, Percy, and I can't wait to talk to you about social English in today's episode. Today's episode, we are going to have an English repair shop episode where I will fix the English of a Japanese person who's learning English just like you. That is the goal. But I have a question. If this is the first time for you, how do you like our podcast? I hope you are enjoying it. If you are a returning listener, thank you for coming back, and please tell your friends about this podcast. Share. Please, I really appreciate it. So, let's get ready for today's episode. I'm going to let Sora introduce to you how we relax on the Social English Podcast and get ready to get into English mode. Sora, please take it away.
気楽にアメリカ人の友人であるパーシーを招いて落ち着いた雰囲気の中でお気に入りのカフェに座りながら英語を練習して上達しようとしているとします。これからパーシーが今日のトピックについて話しますのでリラックスして聞いてください。
That's right. I want you to prepare by getting ready for social English mode. Can you hear everyone around us at the cafe? Relax, listen to the people talking. You have invited me, your friend Percy, to this cafe today. I am going to be drinking a mochaccino, my favorite drink, and you are probably having a coffee, maybe a snack, a cookie, a biscuit, or a small sandwich or cake. But we are just relaxed and we are enjoying learning English together. And I will teach you English as we go and relax. Today's topic is another English repair shop episode where I will take a Japanese person who asked me to fix their English and correct their English with a Kaiwa conversational English, and you get to listen and hear how I fix their English. Now, let's go ahead and think about this. How will we do this? Well, first, I will say the Japanese person's English. I will say their incorrect English. Then I will say the correct Eikaiwa version, the correct Eikaiwa English version. And then I will say this correct a Kaiwa version in regular speed, in normal, regular speed, so that you can hear what it sounds like. Okay? All right, let's get started. Here is the incorrect English version. I'm hot and I'm not good at summer. But I love playing in the summer. Okay, one more time. Kite kudasai. I'm hot and I'm not good at summer. But I love playing in the summer. Okay. Please think. Listen, think to yourself. How would you fix this? How would you fix this? Okay. Now, I want you to listen to the corrected Eikaiwa social English version. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I'm not good at doing summer because I'm always hot. But you know what? I still love to enjoy summer activities. One more time, please listen. Kite kudasai. I'm not good at doing summer because I'm always hot. But you know what? I still love to enjoy summer activities. Okay, so here in the Eikaiwa social English version, let's think about it. I'm not good at summer. The wrong version, the correct version. I'm not good at doing summer. Doing summer. Let's look at the second sentence. We want to add the question. It's not really a question, it's a phrase. But you know what? But you know what? I still love to enjoy summer activities. We want to show our emotion with social English by saying, hey, even though I don't like summer, it's so hot, I still enjoy summer activities. Okay. Here is the social English correct Eikaiwa in fast speed. Fast speed. Please listen. Kite kudasai. I'm not good at doing summer because I'm always hot. But you know what? I still love to enjoy summer activities. I'm not good at doing summer because I'm always hot. But you know what? I still love to enjoy summer activities. Yes, okay. So you can use this to talk about any season. Let's talk about seasons again. Season. In Japanese, natsu is summer. So let's talk about all of the seasons. Summer, fall, winter, spring. 4 seasons. Summer, fall, winter, spring. Here is some special social English advice. In America, the United States, and Canada, we usually say fall for the season after summer. Natsu. So after summer, we usually say fall. In the UK and Australia, they usually say autumn. Autumn. So please remember, the season after summer has 2 names, fall or autumn. And that is all for my social English advice. Okay, that's going to do it for today's episode. Thank you for coming to the Social English Podcast. I hope that you enjoyed the podcast today, and I am sure that you learned something great to help you get better at English every single day. Please visit us at realsocialenglish.com. Also, please support the show by donating $5 to Patreon on our Patreon page, Real Social English, where you can find new content not available anywhere else. Also, please share our podcast with your friends on Twitter. And that's pretty much going to do it for me. I will see you in the next episode. Peace and love.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。realsocialenglish.com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として$5の寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトrealsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.